Hi, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off your mobile data in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To turn off our mobile data option, we need to swipe from the top, again to expand this menu, and our mobile data is turned on. To turn it off, we simply need to tap it once, and now it's off. Alternatively, we can go to our settings here, then connections, and in the connections we have data usage option. Tap it once, of course, and our mobile data toggle is right here. To turn it off, we simply need to uncheck this little box and our data is off. It's the same function as this little shortcut at the top of our phone. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.